Today we're looking at the Shokz OpenComm Bone Conduction Bluetooth headphones. So these are an awesome working style headphone as well as just a Bluetooth headphone on its own. So these ones actually come with a noise canceling boom on them, which is totally adjustable. So if you're unfamiliar with Shokz, the headphones itself are a bone conduction style headphone that basically sit above your ear, the actual ear hole. So they're only gonna play sound into your ear hole without them physically sitting there, and they're only gonna play the sound when it feels it's placed against your bone. So that in itself is super cool, but additionally on this set, it has this boom with a noise canceling mic. In addition to all that, this has a super long battery life. So this one actually lasts about 16 hours of talk time, which is insanity. If you're using this as a work tool, that is awesome. You can use this for a whole shift. 8 hours of listening time, but also a quick charge on it. So if you forget to charge this up for work or you need it charged up super quickly for a quick phone call, within 5 minutes of charging, you can get up to 2 hours of talk time. So that is super handy. Plus, they're super lightweight. So for me, I personally love wearing this style of headphone. I have a lot of hair, so I like to either pull my hair up and then put them on and then pull my hair back down, or to just keep my hair up. So for me, that makes them fit best. So this is how they look if my hair is up on like a standard work day. So the boom itself, you can see it's super adjustable. If you don't want to use it that day, you can straight up just plop it back. If you're just like listening or not on the phone, no worries. When you are taking those calls, bring it forward. It's just going to cancel out all these sounds surrounding you, which is great. If you're unfamiliar with this style of earphone, you're basically going to hear everything right from your headset, but still be situationally aware. So if you need to hear your coworkers with this style of headphone, that is super convenient. Anything else on these? Charge quick. The charger itself has a magnet on it, so it makes it super easy for plugging it in. Then goes to a USB charger. Just Bluetooth is how it connects. Bluetooth 5.1 specifically. I haven't had any issues with it disconnecting or any latency. Big fan of these ones. But yeah, you could also use it for a run to the gym, etc. If you just want to turn that back, you're good to go. So definitely could be a multi-purpose item. Comes with all the instructions, a carrying case too, which has a hard shell, which just like keeps it protected. Good to go. This is the most high quality case I have seen with their headphones that just like keeps it in line, as well as instructions on how to get going. It's very straightforward and easy to get going on these ones. Big fan of them. Definitely check them out. They do have other colors, but I just did the simple black. Check them out.